Hey there! Welcome to another Geekbot how-to video. Let me walk you through how to set up a poll or survey right from the dashboard. From the dashboard homepage, hit the plus icon to get started. That drops you straight into the templates page, where you'll see a bunch of ready-to-go polls and surveys. For this one, I'm choosing the classic yes/no option. Here we are in the Questions tab. The default question looks good, so let's quickly check the answer types. You've got a few options here, but I'll keep it simple with yes, no. And if you're creating a survey, you can add as many questions as you want. Next up, let's set up our audience. You can edit the welcome message to match your voice and tone, so let's freshen that up. Clicking on the drop-down will give you two options: add people one by one, or select a channel. I'll pick Team Updates, so everyone in the channel is automatically included. Now let's set the schedule. You can publish immediately, or choose exactly when the poll should ping your team. I'm going with immediately. You can also set a recurrence, even a custom one, but let's use one time for this one. Last for our schedule, let's tweak the duration and keep it open for 1 day. And finally, let's set up the results visibility. Pick how and when results show up, or keep them visible only to you. Don't forget you can anonymize results as well. Now that we're done, we can publish our settings. That's it! Your poll is live, already shared in Slack, and your team can start voting right away. Thanks for watching, and see you all in the next one.